Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Telegram channel cannot be displayed problem. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to open the Telegram and open your profile, clicking on the settings button in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit until you'll find data and storage and click on it. Now scroll down and toggle on the option called show 18+ content. So basically channel can be displayed because this channel contains 18+ content, and this option on your account is disabled. So basically enable this option and check if the problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, that means this channel is blocked, or you just need to try use a VPN to just simply open the channel. But in some accounts this option is not visible, show 18+ content. So in some accounts you need to log into web version of Telegram, click on the three lines in the top left corner, go to the settings right here, privacy and security, scroll down, and here you will have sensitive content, and basically here you need to also toggle on disable filtering, and that is basically it. That is how you can fix this Telegram channel can be displayed. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.